Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajele and I'm back with another video. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my YouTube channel banner on my phone using the Canva app, and I'll be including a picture in this banner. So I'll show you how I edit the picture using PicsArt. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I like to do is for us to edit the picture. So let's open a picture with a background because I'll be using it for my banner. So I'll select this one and then I'll click on the eraser. There's another edit over there. I don't want it, so I click on skip. samples or other beautiful banner art or designs Canva has, but we want to start ours from scratch, so you click on blank. So this is the size YouTube requires for YouTube channel art. Okay, so the next thing we do is make sure that you upload your background that you downloaded from Pinterest. So to do that, you click on the plus here and it will release all the features that you'll be using to edit our YouTube channel art. So what you do is click on images and then you scroll down. I think I downloaded it a long time ago, so I wouldn't find it now. So you select the background you would like to use. So I'll be using this background, but because this is the image, okay, so I'll be showing you guys. So after you've able to add your background, the next thing you do is click on the plus again and then select text. So we are going to input the name of our channel first. So the name of the channel I'm doing this banner for is called Icy Ria. She is a friend of mine that is starting YouTube, and I'm doing the banner for her. So guys, please head over to her channel and check out her channel, and be sure to subscribe, comment and like to her videos, and let her know that I sent you. Thank you. So right now I'm selecting a font for the name I chose. A font for the channel name. Okay, so I think this is cute. So the next thing I'll do is to write the niche of the channel, or what the channel, like the thing she'll be doing for her channel. So she'll be doing skincare. So I like to go through all of them and choose the best for it. where I want it to be. But guys, if this is how your edit is going to be, YouTube is going to tell you it's small. So I'm going to shift the the space that YouTube will provide. So this is all I like to do at the end, and this is the banner I did for my friend. So please be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please, when you finish, go to my friend's channel, Ria, and subscribe to her channel. She does skincare, hair and house. Please, before you leave, make sure that you save by clicking on the arrow pointing downwards. Click on it and it will prepare your design and it will tell you save to camera roll. So that is all to it, guys. Thank you so much. This is so easy to do. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and then hit the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please, if you have any question at all concerning this video, comment down below and then I'll get right back to you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.